Dear Cheri, I was curious, does decarbing and infusing get all or most of the THC out of the plant material? My question is, after decarbing and infusing, can I use the same flower to infuse again? Would that be worth the effort? Thanks. Okay, well, I appreciate your thrifty spirit. The short answer is probably not. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday, and hit that like button, too, if you get value out of my videos. Oh, and if you like my Smoking Rooster t-shirt, that's available on my website, along with lots of other fun cannabis designs. I'll put a link in the comments below. Okay, can you decarb, infuse, make butter or oil, and then use that same plant material again to infuse again? That's the question as I understand it. Technically, you can. Is it worthwhile? Not in my eyes, it's not. I did do some experiments with this when I first started learning to cook with cannabis, because I have a thrifty spirit too. But it really didn't increase the potency very much. I mean, does it get all of the THC out? No, you're never going to get 100% out. There's still going to be some that are clinging to the plant material, and you're going to lose a little bit. But when you reinfuse it again, you're putting more green flavor into your infusion, so it's going to taste more yucky. And the potency, you're not going to get much more. If you did it right, you've gotten most of it the first time. So I just say, as far as the rest of it, bless it and let it go. I didn't find it worthwhile to reinfuse again and again. Sure, there's a little bit left. Some people like to make tea out of what's left. They'll put in some hot water and some milk or cream over some of the plant material that's been used. That's not a bad use for it. But to just reinfuse another batch of butter or oil, it will be very, very, very weak in potency. So, no, in my opinion, it's not worth it. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.